Hello, children. Today I bring to you the poem The Legend of Northland by Phoebe Cary. Summary of the poem. The poem is in the form of a ballad and gives us an important message. It's a story that is shared from many ages. It is about a selfish old woman who never tried to part with even a single cake in order to feed Saint Peter, who was hungry and weary due to his fasting and traveling. Saint Peter was extremely hungry and cursed the old lady and made her into a woodpecker. This poem tells us a story that took place in the Northland, where the nights are long and the days are short, where the swift reindeer is harnessed to the sledge, and where the children look like bear cubs in their furry clothes. During this winter period, Saint Peter was traveling around preaching God's word. One day, as he was fasting, he felt very hungry and tired. He came to a cottage and knocked the door. An old woman opened the door of the cottage, and Saint Peter asked her for a single cake as he was very hungry and weary due to his fast. Though the lady had baked many cakes, she didn't want to give him even one from that storage of cakes. She wanted to bake a very small and thin one to part with. She was too selfish. Every time the woman took a small portion of dough and baked a cake, she felt it was small to eat but very big to give away. When the old lady refused to part with even a single cake, Saint Peter got very angry and cursed her. He changed her into a woodpecker because he wanted her to work hard by boring holes in the trees and finding her food. Life skills you have learned from this poem are sympathy, empathy, love, kindness, sharing, caring, being selfless, etc. Thank you.